A casual fishing trip suddenly requires a much bigger boat and a change of shorts.
Ah! Tiger shark! Tiger shark ran me.
Sometimes you just have to watch the chaos unfold, and these are some of the most incredible moments ever recorded. This lightning strike doesn't just hit a tree, it performs a full-scale tactical deletion. This whale decides the kayakers are paddling a little too close to its lunch reservation. This snowplow operator discovers that sometimes the mountain decides to plow you back.
Strong.
Terminal's fire suppression system seems to be a little bit on the aggressive side.
Ya, por. Afuera está 4. Por allá.
Somewhere in the world, a construction project just experienced a rather significant and windy setback.
Where is the distance?
Taking cover behind a plastic scooter suddenly seems like a very poor strategic decision.
Oh my god!
A powerful surge turns this peaceful marina into an incredibly expensive game of bumper cars.
We're up on the hill. Oh my god!
Imagine thinking you're safe inside until a tornado decides to casually stroll down your street. This fisherman is about to discover that nature really does not want him catching that fish. Getting too close to a saltwater crocodile is a great way to test your boat's acceleration. Reeling in a big fish is one thing, but this incredible moment nearly joins them.
Sorry, Ryan. That's not your fault, right?
That circus tent is about to perform its final disappearing act thanks to an incoming tornado. Somewhere at this festival, an incredible moment decides to do a bit of redecorating. This incredible moment gets a little too personal with the local worksite.
That's creating a bit of shit.
Imagine you're out for a walk and stumble upon the Earth's fiery indigestion. Imagine the game is so intense, the entire apartment building starts doing the wave.
Mierda. Mierda. $45. Se rompieron las cosas. Mierda.
Somewhere in the backwoods, a tree opens a surprisingly tidy portal straight to hell. Somewhere in the suburbs, a portal to a much more fabulous dimension is apparently opening up. Somewhere on the coast, the ocean decides it wants all these expensive boats back immediately.
Look at the wave. See that red peel corner? See that peeling off the corner? You can surf it. Look at that.
Holy fuck.
Look at G-Doc over there. Well,
Big Red just hammering.
look at Grizzy and his wife and stuff down there.
Oh, fuck. What the fuck? Yeah, I was under a jump.
Somewhere in the mountains, a hillside suddenly decides it has an urgent appointment downhill. People expect water to come down a waterfall, not the entire mountain itself. This calm mountain stream suddenly decides it wants to be a freight train carrying a forest. This delivery truck learns an incredible lesson about who actually has the right of way here. Somewhere in this city, a local elephant has some very strong opinions about bike lanes.
Weird.
Most people find seashells at the beach, but this group finds an incredible moment instead.
Yeah, watching this girl. Hey, men. Yeah. Any of y'all willing to help? Yeah. Y'all are awesome. Very cool. She's like the eyeball waiting for me to get it. To get. Oh, good job.
Imagine trying to get your fishing net back from what looks like every seal on Earth. Most people use hairspray for this look, but this incredible moment has a different idea. Somewhere in Texas, the evening rush hour looks a little different than you might expect. This incredible moment is what happens when a million wildebeest suddenly get the same idea. Following this incredible moment is like watching a living river carve its way through the snow. This feeding frenzy of birds is just the opening act for the real main event.
Entire life, everybody. Hundreds of thousands of birds right here.
Watching a massive school of fish is incredible until you find out what's chasing them. Some incredible moments are so perfectly coordinated, they look like something out of a movie. Watching an avalanche from a distance feels safe until the distance suddenly disappears.
Three, two, one, ready. Okay.
Mother Nature decides this particular neighborhood is simply not up to code anymore.
पूरा खत्म गाड़ी भी कितना गाड़ी ले गया पूरा गाड़ी ले गया